Hello and good afternoon. আজকে আমাদের Motivate 2022 episode 3 and it's a great feeling because যখন আরেকটা নতুন episode তার মানে একটা নতুন গল্প নতুন chapter and আজকে I'm just excited because there are those people who will kind of really make you wonder, is it true or is it like, am I watching too much? Because সে যা করে ফেলেছে এবং যা করে চলেছে সেটা দেখে আমরা জাস্ট সুপার মোটিভেটেড কি বলবো, মানে ভাবাই যায় না তার জার্নি। এবং আজকে যার সাথে আলাপ হবে, হি ইজ অ্যান এন্টারপ্রেনার। ZS Sports Entertainment Art is his company and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome Yudhajit Dotto. Thank you so very much for joining in.
Thank you very much for having me. Heard a lot about it. I've been following it also. Thanks to you and Tapra Aro, there are some other friends also who are inspirators. I think inspirators, right?
So inspirers and motivators. Na tomar bondhura mile odhikangsho motivator because tara shobai besh fit and proper.
Yeah. No, I'm hardly compared to all of the others. I mean, I'm hardly anywhere close to them.
Are you sure what you are saying? Because আজকে যারা আমাদেরকে দেখছো এবং দেখবে, একটু ছোট্ট করে বলি, যার সাথে আজকে কথা হচ্ছে এককালে তাকে আমরা এভাবে চিনতাম। Yudhajit, what has been the weight loss? How many kilos so far?
So I lost about around 54 kgs, which was in about 1.5, probably around 1 year, 3 months. 1 year, 3 months, 4 months.
So this was the you that we knew. What was the trigger?
I think the first trigger, is I had become really fat. I mean, compared to when yes, অনুষ্ঠানে দেখেছেন যখন দেখেছো তখনও অবধি I was like still I was healthy when I could move around and everything. But then তারপরে my weight had become a lot. And it was very difficult, even when I was difficult when moving around or things like that. But then that was one thing. আরেকটা যেটা I think probably the bigger trigger was playing. Like I used to get very tired. I had a baby, so I playing with him and all, and simple stuff like আগে আমি I like with my company and all, my passion is obviously sports. So sports নিয়ে আমি ভীষণ ভালো খেলতাম, খেলতাম খেলতে গেলেই টায়ার্ড হয়ে যাচ্ছিলাম বা কিছু, and so all these things were a factor. Probably one more factor which might be a little emotional in nature, but was that even I lost my father also pretty early in my life when I was just 9 years old, and he also had a major heart attack. So and he passed away without any kind of thing. So I didn't want to have similar health issues and all going on, because obviously I'm also now in my I'm going to be 40 in the next few years. So I thought that it was better to become fit. It was never a plan to lose 54 kgs or something like that. I mean, সত্যি কথা বলতে গেলে that it kind of helped because of the lockdown. যখন লকডাউনটা স্টার্ট হয়েছিল তখন আমি আমার বউ ওয়াজ ভেরি হ্যাপি, ফাইনালি অনেকদিন পর আমরা দুজনে কিছুটা ব্রেক পেয়েছি, মি ফ্রম মাই বিজনেস। দেয়ার ওয়াজ নো ওয়ার্ক, সারাক্ষণ সুইগি থেকে জোম্যাটো থেকে খাবার অর্ডার করে খাচ্ছিলাম। বাট দেন আফটার দ্যাট one day I think I don't know what happened. I just looked at the weighing scale and it just triggered something. Barite. So everything. I have never gone to the gym. For losing weight and all, I have not gone to the gym. I have learned a lot because আমি এর আগে 2014-15 I used to go to Endorphins with Ranodip Moitra. So তার কাছে also I had lost some 30 kgs তখন. But then I had gained all of it back also, and তারপরে I had on more. তারপরে আরো বেশি হয়েছিল। ইনফ্যাক্ট when my wife was pregnant, I think আমার বউ একটা বাচ্চা ক্যারি করছিল আর আমি 3টে বাচ্চা ক্যারি করছিলাম, ওরকম একটা হয়ে গেছে। I had to change, and I think the lockdown it really helped in this way. I mean, from a fitness point of view, because I started slowly. I had small targets, and I tried to get that on. ওটাকে করতে I tried to do that, and I started enjoying the process. So ওইখান থেকে আস্তে আস্তে করে once I started enjoying the process, it became some kind of a routine, and ওই রুটিনটা থেকে এখন if I don't do it, I am more irritated during the day if I'm not working out. Wonderful. If I'm not doing things. So এগুলো আছে.
So this picture that we will see now, this was your DA, right?
This was my marriage, yes.
So this was how many years back?
This is 4 years back, sorry. 4 years back.
4 years. So life was absolutely normal, মানে ইউদাজিৎ মানেই একটু বড়সড় একটা বেশ এরকম ভাবে ইউডি কে দেখতে হবে, মানে he's, so how tall are you?
Around 6.2.5 inch. 6 feet 2.5 inches. Around that much.
Okay. So this is like a before and now kind of a series, আমি যদি বলি.
So this is actually just, I think, the year after my, the first picture is actually the year after, around 2000, I think 2009, 20 to 2020 year. And this, I had a funnier story আছে আমি বলতে চাই. ওই স্যুটটা যেটা আমি পরেছিলাম, that suit was gifted to me by my wife just, I think, in the month of December only. I think she had gifted it to me in 2019. And so tarpore I didn't want to, obviously throw that suit away because it has become really loose. And tarpore so I decided that, I'll go to the tailor and I'll try to get it, I'll try to have it altered, yeah. And unfortunately it could not happen because bollo je etota naki suitটা নাকি alter করা যাবে না. So I'm really sad about that because the suit, that whole suit piece was pretty expensive.
Yeah.
From that.
So what happened? এই যে জামা কাপড়গুলো মোটামুটি কটা সাইজ ড্রপ করেছো, if we may know?
I don't know. I think I lost about 14 to 16 inches. 14 inches, I think. 12 to 14 inches for sure. A good thing that, I've got a new wardrobe altogether, but the bad, এখন অনেক জায়গায় জামা কাপড় গিয়ে কেনা যায়, যেটা আমি actually for the last, I think probably never, it has ever happened that আমার আগে খালি জামা কাপড় কেনা হতো এই ফ্যাব ইন্ডিয়া বা all বা I used to, আমার কিছু বন্ধুরা আছে who are designers or something, so I used to request them to make clothes for me. But এখন now I can go to certain places, like go to certain retail shops and all, and buy clothes. And not only buy clothes, but I'm happy that it's not the biggest size which is fitting me, it is the second biggest size usually, because I'm also tall, so that also we can't take also, I need to have the size has to be good, so big, so we can't take it. So that is one advantage, that is the one thing which makes me happy also. But khorchata onek.
Completely understand, but it must be a great feeling when you can fit back to the old clothes, because I've seen
this is another one. This is actually, a t-shirt is one of my favorite t-shirts because এটা আমাকে আমার মামা দিয়েছিল, and I'm a big Lacoste fan. I like, as I said, I'm a sports fan. Lacoste was big in tennis and everything. So I kept that t-shirt. I don't know why did I keep that t-shirt when it was just there, because it was probably my first Lacoste t-shirt. Ar tokhon takao chilo na Lacoste kenar, eta amake this my mama had gifted me. And so I don't know what happened. I just tried that t-shirt on and it fitted me perfectly. After like what, I think probably after 15-16 years. মানে যখন ছোটবেলায় স্কুলের এন্ডে বা কলেজের ফার্স্ট ইয়ারে পেয়েছিলাম টি-শার্টটা, সেই টি-শার্টটা ফাইনালি আবার ফিট করছিল, সো ইট ওয়াজ আ গুড ফিলিং, দ্যাটস অল।
সো মানে ইউধাজিৎ দত্ত, মানে এটা যে what you have achieved is something that we have probably seen only on newspapers, যেখানে কেউ কোনো কিছু প্রমোট করতে চায় and before after দেখায়, মানে this is historical. And এই যে এরম একটা তুমি সেখান থেকে আজকে তুমি যে জায়গায় দাঁড়িয়ে, ইনফ্যাক্ট দিস ইজ অলসো আই থিঙ্ক ইয়োর রিসেপশন পিকচার অর এঙ্গেজমেন্ট,
এটা আমার অনেকদিন আগেকার, আরো বেশি আগে, অনেকদিন আগেকারই এটা এনগেজমেন্ট ছবি, which has been designed in such a way so that I look thin. This is again the old me. These are all, I used to wear a lot of layers because trying to make me look thin. Because যতটা আর আমি ছবি বেশি আমার ছবি আমি বেশি নিতাম না, বিকজ ছবি নিলেও গ্রুপে নিতাম আর পেছনে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকতাম, so that আমার খালি মুখটা আসতো, বা so that the body never used to come. So no, it was not that I was embarrassed or something, but it was just that I did not I did not enjoy. I don't enjoy taking pictures, number one, and number two, these pictures just, I used to look horrible on those pictures, so I never used to take.
So I would say the first trigger has been the baby, so you wanted to play well with the baby, and you wanted to have your sports self back. So
Right.
that has been a very important thing. And the lockdown, যেখানে লকডাউনের এত নেগেটিভিটি আছে কাজকর্মের দিক থেকে,
আরেকটা যেটা জিনিস আই থিঙ্ক আমাকে একজন বলছে সেটা হলো যে মানে since my business is also with sports management, so I also work with a lot of sportsmen, so they also they keep on telling me that Amna, your work is basically about fitness, and why don't you, so that was also one more thing probably but at the end of the day it is about myself, you really যতটাই তুমি অন্য কাউকে বলতে চাও যে this picture should not come but anyway, so I think you were also there in this dinner. I don't know. In this lunch. I don't know.
looks like, I think this was some pool party, something.
Yeah, probably. I don't know. Huh.
Yeah, I mean, there was a time when we would really party together. This is, I think, a very special picture because losing your dad early in life, and that too because of cardiac, I think that has always kind of pushed you a little more because there is a history.
True.
Like, similarly, Amar Khetre, I lost my mother when she was just 53, and that was also very sudden cardiac. So, Amaro back of the mind, ota amar sob shomoy kaj kore that I have a history, and I should be careful. So, now coming back to a very important thing, এমনিতেই তো জিম কখনো বন্ধ কখনো খোলা একটা হতে থাকে, and there are a lot of us who are basically lazy to step into a gym. এই যে তুমি বাড়িতে যেটা অ্যাচিভ করেছো, can you just get back to the day when you first decided and you took the first step? তোমার বাড়িতে কি কি ছিল, তুমি শুরু কিভাবে করলে, and what has been the journey thereafter? মানে প্রথম দিনই কি প্রচুর এক্সারসাইজ করেছিলে? মানে it will be like
I mean, so as I mentioned before also that I used to go to this gym called Endorphins bole. Unfortunately I stopped. Unfortunately I could not stop going because একটা হলো laziness, আরেকটা হলো it went away, মানে বাড়ি থেকে একটু দূরে হয়ে গেছিল, তারপর টাইমিং and everything I could not, মানে ম্যাচিং হচ্ছিল না. So I knew the basic techniques of thing, but obviously প্রথমে the amount of the weight which I had put on, I could not move properly. So I started off very slowly, and I kept off. দুটো তিনটে জিনিস I must say that বাড়িতে যদি করতে হয় কাউকে and all, I must say 2-3 things is that you have to have your technique proper. Secondly, you must first more than becoming thin or something, you should concentrate on your core and your glute activity and your hamstrings and your quads, because এইগুলো যদি injured হয়ে যায় পরে গিয়ে we will suffer a lot.
বড় যারা আমাদেরকে দেখছে তারা অনেকে অনেক কিছু জানে, বা আবার অনেকে আছে যারা অনেক কিছু জানে না, তাই একটু সহজ ভাষায় যদি আমাদেরকে একটু ভেঙে বোঝা।
So from glutes is basically the back of basically what we call the bum. I'm sure everyone knows what's that. The core is basically the abs part, the lower part of the backbone, and the quads, hamstring. Quads holo the upper part of the thigh, and hamstring holo the lower part of the thigh. Basically, I remembered what was taught to me at Endorphins. So এটা একটা জিনিস ছিল. So দুটো তিনটে জিনিস যেমন I made sure is that my glutes are very much are active all the time. Because if glutes and your hips are not active, your lower part of the lower backbone, you will get hurt very immediately, and you will also get hurt on your knees, which is very these two places, these two parts are the main parts for your any kind of movement. পরে লাইক আমার একটা জিনিস আমি এটা ভুল করছিলাম, সেটা হলো আগে এই আমার যে আপার পার্ট অফ দ্য থাই যেটাকে কোয়াডস বলে, কোয়াড স্ট্রেচ করছিলাম না, সো আমার নিতে একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছিল প্রথম দিকে. But then I realized that then I also there is this YouTube channel which I used to follow, which I still follow actually, called Athelian X bole, Jeff Cavalier. He's a pretty famous physical therapist based out of US. So I follow his YouTube channel. ওর থেকে I learned the tricks and trades of how to do squats. So 2 or 3 of the most important exercises আগে যেটা করতেই হয় সেটা হলো squats, একটা হলো lunges. These are basic exercises. এগুলো for your any kind of movement পরে কিছুদিন পরে after you properly do the squats and the lunges, then only probably you should start doing the deadlifts and everything. but these are all basic exercise. Even plank, যেটা সবাই দেখায় যে plank করা উচিত and all, but even plank should be done once your glutes and your core is tightened, and your hamstrings are all a little more tight. Although yes, plank is a core exercise, but then you have to make sure that at least level of exercise ওটার উপরে হয়েছে before you start doing the plank. Because a lot of people start, আরে আমি এখন তো প্ল্যাঙ্ক করছি, পরে গিয়ে কিন্তু তোমার লোয়ার বডি যে especially the backbone, it is going to hurt a lot. And I've seen a lot of friends trying to do, plank করে নিলাম, আমি এখন 2 minute plank করে নিলাম. It is very easy প্রথম, পরে গিয়ে it will be a problem. So these kind of things are there. আর আমি যেমন দুটো তিনটে জিনিস আমি সকালবেলা থেকে আরম্ভ করি. একটা হলো I stretch my spine. No matter what happens, আমি একটা বাড়িতে কোথাও একটা কিছু ঝুলে পড়ি, আর পাটাকে either সামনে করে রাখি বা পেছনে করে রাখি, but it should always be touching the floor, so that it helps me stretching the spine, my shoulder, the lats and everything. And it also helps in building a good form, because the most important thing is to build a good form. Because তুমি যদি কতটা এক্সারসাইজ করো, তারপরে তোমার যদি shoulders are rounded or something like that, these things are not good for the body. Because exercise করে তাহলে you will get, no matter what happens, if you constantly keep on doing the wrong exercises, you will get injured বাড়িতে বসে থাকলে. So একটা তো আমি ওটা করি. আরেকটা যেটা জিনিস আমি করি সেটা হলো আমি আমার glute activation time, I make sure in the morning, which is just a 10-15 second glute activation thing. If you want also, I can send that to you. As you asked me তখন যে কোনো আমার equipment ছিল না, আমার কোনো equipment ছিল না প্রথমে. So আমি বাড়িতে যে একটা সোফা, একটা বাড়িতে যে কার্পেট আছে, ওইখান থেকে I tried it. I started working out. And প্রথমে I started একটা app also I used to follow called Culfit, যেখান থেকে there's a beginner level thing, exercises. I never did their personal coaching or anything. I just did their ওদেরই ওখানে যে beginner level আছে ওইখান থেকে I tried to do all that and tighten get my body proper, get my form in a proper position, and then I started doing cardio and everything. Because ওইগুলো করতে সবাই বলবে হ্যাঁ আগের থেকে করো, you might lose weight initially, but then the injuries which might happen to you might be bad. Your form should be correct. If it doesn't happen, the injuries which are there, you should be really careful. Every month I used to make sure that I used to try and lose 5 kgs. So this is something which I started off on May 15th, 2020. Okay. And
May 15, 2020 তে ইউদাজি দত্তর ওজন কত ছিল?
এটা অনেক ছিল. It was crazy.
It was crazy.
Nearly around 150 ছিল. So ওইখান থেকে I had
150 থেকে আজকে he is minus 54 kilos, and that too he has done it himself without any surgery, without any হার্ডকোর সকাল থেকে রাত অবধি জিম করা, সবকিছু খাবার ছেড়ে দেওয়া. কিন্তু খাবারের ব্যাপারে ইউদাজিৎ কি খেত এবার একটা বড় প্রশ্ন, বিকজ এক্সারসাইজের তো খানিকটা তুমি কথা বললে.
The diet was extremely I never stopped eating. আমি কোনোদিনও খাবার বন্ধ করিনি, because I'm a foodie. Bengalis by birth are foodies, and you should not deprive Bengalis of their food. I believe in that. আর সেকেন্ড আরেকটা জিনিস হলো, আমি যদি খাবারটা না খেতাম না, whatever যে খাবারটা যদি না পেতাম, maybe my motivation would have been less to to exercise. আমি বলতাম না আমি খেতে পারছি না, আমি কিছু করতে পারছি না. I have tried my diets, I've gone on to যে এই মিষ্টি খাবো না, এটা করবো না, এসব I tried before, but then I have never been able to manage that. For me it was but what I did was I made a chart for myself. If you say if in a round in a circle, আমি একটা জিনিস করতাম যে I used to divide the circle into 3 halves, where the 3 halves were of different variations. So যদি হয় একটা হতো say right angle 9 o'clock, একটা হতো for 9:20 যদি হয়. So the biggest half of the circle was always became my vegetables, and the second half was my protein.
In what form? Vegetables কিভাবে?
Cooked vegetables, cooked or sometimes boiled, cooked, stir fried, cooked. Especially it was a lockdown time, so খাবার তখন unfortunately at that point of time most of the বাড়িতে যারা maids ছিল তারাও either ওরা বাড়ি চলে গেল, বা the temporary ones we could not allow them to come inside. So the cooking basically fell on me. So I had to cook things which were very which everyone had to have, মানে আমার বউ যাতে খেতে পারে, সবাই যাতে খেতে পারে, তো ওরকমই খাবার করতে হতো। So এখানটায় the vegetables was either stir fried বা এমনি normally cooked, but ঝিঙে পোস্ত also happened. I mean things like that as well. So but then I made sure that that was my maximum amount of my meal, and the vegetables was always the maximum amount of my meals. তারপরে it was always the protein, so meat or anything. In fact, let me tell you this, I actually consulted a dietitian also, but then the dietitian gave me a very much a vegetarian diet. Vegetarian মানে বললো যে বেশি করে vegetarian খাও আর এই খাও তাহলে তুমি রোগা হবে and all. So I supplemented everything with meat, because আমার মানে মাংস ছাড়া আমার হয় না। So
red meat না,
it was not like that আমি এরকম চিন্তা করে খেয়েছি যে চিকেন বা ফিশ, ইউজুয়ালি ফিশটা বেশি হতো তখন প্রথম because of lockdown. So as I said that that the whatever we were getting that point of time, তো খাবার দাবারেরও একটা জিনিস ছিল। So home cooked food was, I tried having more home cooked food, মানে বেশি আমরা অর্ডার না করে home cooked foodটা বেশি হচ্ছিল। আর vegetables was a must. Vegetables is a must no matter what happens. মানে আমি আমার বাড়ি থেকেও যখন অফিসে যাই, যেখানেই যাই, আমি লাঞ্চে I always carry my vegetables. That is something which is always there. So stir fried হোক, মানে boiled হোক, যাই হোক, I always carry that. তাছাড়া I have my meat, which is mainly I think fish was, মানে weekdays, I mean no matter what happened, I used to have fish most of the time. I like my fish, so I used to have fish. The rice was the smallest portion of the thing. That was my lunch. That was usually my lunch. And breakfast I used to divide it into two. I used to have my fruits, and there was this thing also, let me tell you this, I still have this, আমাকে এটা বলেছিল, which the dietitian actually told me, cinnamon powder দিয়ে and লেবু দিয়ে hot water. So I still have that. Yeah, I wake up in the morning. I'll tell you my usual day. So my day starts with pranayam, no matter what. Breathing exercises are a must for a good time. Then after that, I have the cinnamon and lemon water, hot water, which apparently it is good for the stomach and everything. So that I do.
বাজারে পাওয়া যায়, that
cinnamon powder actually বাজারে পাওয়া যায়, হ্যাঁ। So I order it from Big Basket.
Okay.
আমার Big Basket থেকে আসে। Then I have fruits, so apple হোক বা papaya বা অন্য কিছু, বা if sometimes I don't feel like having fruits, then almonds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, এসব খাই। খেয়ে তারপরে I start working out. After half an hour or something, I start working out. And then I also maybe I walk a little bit. Then I work out for a good 1 hour.
কতক্ষণ ডিউরেশন ইউদাজিৎ সকালে যে ওয়ার্কআউটটা করছো?
Good 1 hour.
1 hour.
Good 1 hour, because 1 hour it includes 35 minutes to 40 minutes of working out, but তার সঙ্গে stretches at প্রথমে একটা warm up হয় পুরো, because warm up is very much necessary to just so that you don't get injured. আমি এটা নিজের থেকে বলছি because I got injured, so তাই জন্য specifically আমি ওটা নিয়ে I always keep on telling people this. And তারপরে after that the cool down, তখন যে stretches গুলো are extremely important. As I said, the quad stretch বা hamstring stretch বা আরেকটা আছে the cobra, বা the hips এর যে stretches গুলো, pigeon stretch fetch, এগুলো করা, মানে if you can do it properly, these things are very important. এগুলো you can actually learn it from the Athelian X thing, because even if you follow these apps যেগুলো হয়, সেগুলোতে the problem is that they try to decrease your weight fast. So তাই জন্য আগের থেকেই বলবে এখানে লাফাও, do the broad jumps, do 150 jumping jacks, বা star jumps, which is very good. I'm not saying that they're not good, but if you don't know the technique to do it, if you don't know how to, when you're doing these things, you should be squeezing your glutes and doing it, and your stomach. Otherwise you will, in the long run, you might get injured if you keep on, but if you continue doing the exercises, কিছুদিনের জন্য exercise করে you lose weight, that is a different thing altogether. But if you want to do it for the long run, and if you want to stay healthy, I think it is very important that you know the technique. So I learned from that YouTube channel. So তারপরে I work out, and then I have breakfast. So breakfast is usually either was cornflakes এর সঙ্গে I used to have some kind, like some vegetable like cucumbers, usually mostly cucumbers, ba poha, upma. So I used to have something like that, and I used to finish it off thing. তারপরে I used to make sure my lunch was by 1:30. I said what my lunch was. আর তারপরে again আবার তারপরে 4:30-5টার সময় 4:35 I used to have some tea. And okay, and two more things which was very thing is that I've stopped having tea right in the morning, which was I think to do with more to do with energy. I think কিছু একটা, I don't remember the name of the hormone, but then there are certain hormones which are stopped if you have tea in the morning, which unfortunately আমরা বাঙালিরা ঘুম থেকে উঠলে এটা চা খাওয়ার একটা জিনিস আছে, so ওটা আমি সাপ্লিমেন্ট করেছি with that cinnamon water.
Okay.
But so I have I have green tea after breakfast. I have a good full cup because and I love my tea, so এখান থেকে I keep on having that. তারপরে আমি আবার lunch I have it by 1:30, and then by 4:35 I have tea and some kind of, I don't know, মানে sometimes চানাচুর বা কিছু একটা চিড়ে ভাজা, মানে some snacks which was there. আগে I used to, এখন আর হয় না because of office work and everything, which is I used to get a brisk walk করতাম for about good 20 to 30 minutes, যেটা আজকাল হয় না because আমি walkটা করি, but then I space it out throughout the day because office work pressure, lockdown এর যেটা advantageটা ছিল সেটা আর নেই. So I used to do this 20 to 30 minutes, but I make sure every day I do at least 12,000 steps. But then minimum people should be doing 10,000 steps no matter what happens, because you should constantly, at a movement in thaka uchit. So that is something which is very important. So I do 10,000 steps at least. I finish my dinner off by 8:30, no matter what. Unless and until মানে কোনো একটা স্পেশাল ডে হলো বা কিছু হলো, সেটা মানে অনেক প্রবলেমস হয় because বাড়িতে লোকেরা বলবে না এত তাড়াতাড়ি কেন খাবো, এই করবো না. Sometimes you are having, you have become very antisocial, you are having dinner without us and all, সেগুলো শুনি. কিন্তু but at least I wanted to achieve my target of getting into 95 kgs. So that was my first big target which I had. So ওইটা which I have achieved, yes. I mean 94 অবধি আমি ঢুকেছি. I did achieve that. After that
what we see to where you are right now, so this is
right.
Yugajit's phenomenal 54 kgs, এবং আমার মানে কথা বলতে বলতে যুজাদি আরো 2-1 কিলো কমিয়ে নিয়েছে, মানে the way he is running and the way he is going. একটা প্রশ্ন আছে, what was the immediate reaction or what is the reaction of বউ and ছেলে and মা, that তারা একরকম ভাবে তোমায় চেনে জানে তোমার খাওয়া?
মা is very happy. মা সবাইকে বলে বেড়াচ্ছে যে মা is extremely happy. কি বলবো যে ও ভীষণ রোগা হয়েছে, এই হয়েছে and all and things like that, because she was always like রোগা হ. My wife fell in love with me when I was fat, so I'm pretty sure that doesn't matter. I mean, but then I'm sure she says, things are much more smoother and lighter now. This is long time back, but this is I think 2017 by 18 picture.
So wife fell in love with you are. So এখন তো she's just looking.
No, আমি এখন বলি I look better than you, so no, but that's a joke. But she's actually she's in a way she's also she's unhappy because my wedding ring fell off, because আমার আঙ্গুলগুলো রোগা হয়ে গেছিল, so the wedding ring fell off. No, I have not lost it. I have given it to the jeweler and to to ওটাকে আবার adjust করার জন্য, so my wedding rings fell off. So yeah, there are these things. My son, I mean, I'm sure my son is just 3 years old, so he won't know what was. I don't think he remember the fat father unless and until he will see the pictures.
Rajit, when he was like a little baby,
you have completely taken my Facebook pictures, all of them, huh?
Yeah, and this is something which is very interesting, that knowing you're the sports guy with the musical instrument, are you still playing music?
Unfortunately, আজকাল আর বাজানো হয় না, but then I used to play for the French consulate at Atelier de Musique বলে Ibrahim Majumdar এর under, so I used to play the violin and the viola for that orchestra. ওটা অনেক দিনই হয়ে গেছে যে এখন আর the violin has been kept in the loft probably. I still love music. I know it is sad.
যে একদিন একটা musical session হোক, because this is something that I have never seen. I have never actually watched you play.
No. I stopped playing ages back. I mean, once I had taken out my violin when I was really stressed out while doing Kolkata Fashion Week. তখন I was like আমি কি করি কিছু মাথায় আসছে না, so তখন I don't know, I think it was a very random move of me taking out the violin, but other than that তারপর থেকে I think I have not taken it out, which is very sad. I miss it, but then
Yeah, I'm sure it misses you
unfortunately
too. So ওটা কিন্তু একদিন মানে this is kind of
I'm sure my orchestra members ওরা যদি ভিডিওটা দেখে বলবে যে thank God বাজায় না, I think just
কোনো
joking.
মানেও হয় না। But এইখানেও we see a different avatar. This is richer.
So this was right after this was right during my college times. So college সময় I started working as well. So তখনকার জিনিস, so I really, that point of time there was a lot of financial issues in my thing, so I used to walk a lot. আমি ভীষণই হাঁটতাম, and so এরকমও হতো যে আমার অফিস ছিল in Kamak Street, to walk from there to my house which was in Jodhpur Park, এখনো Jodhpur Park, but so my then house in Jodhpur Park. So I used to constantly, so I used to walk a lot. So that was a very different kind of thing. But from there, I again gained weight. তারপরে আর কোনো control ছিল না, কিছু ছিল না। আজকাল the food and all, I've started controlling myself. Like things like, you know, my wife is having, say, sweets or ice cream beside me, and I'm not having. So these kind of things have happened.
বাঙালিদের বাড়িতে সংক্রান্তি মানে প্রচুর মিষ্টি, পিঠে, পুলি, পাটিসাপটা।
So I will have it, obviously.
Do you resist all that?
No, I should not. I mean, you know what? I think it should not. You should eat. I feel that you should eat, but you should know what you are eating. But the quantity should be less. I still feel that. I seriously feel that if you deprive of yourself, কিছুদিন পরে আবার, you know, you start. At least this is my personal opinion. এটা কিন্তু কারোরকে আমি বলছি না করতে না করতে, because a lot of people they have gone into, you know, আমাকে লোকেরা ফার্স্ট থিং জিজ্ঞেস করে কি ডায়েটিং করেছো, I have said that I don't get into, আমি ইন্টারমিটেন্ট ডায়েটিং ও করিনি, কিটো ডায়েট তো করিনি, because I have heard that there are kidney issues and everything, আর কোন রকমের ডায়েটিং আমি করিনি। I went into nutritious food, and I went and I decreased my portion of food. I decreased my portion, like আমি রাত্রিবেলা করে I used to have maybe আগে I used to have, say, 3 rupees, ওখান থেকে I started having only 1 rupee. So, you know, things like that. And very strangely, I never used to feel hungry. মানে এত খাবার অলরেডি ছিল জমে ভেতরে যে I never used to feel hungry.
But you are truly somebody, যাকে on stage when we felicitated you, this was a moment to celebrate for us, because having you as a part of that little get together and felicitating you was an honor. কারণ 54 কিলো organically শুধু নিজের মনের বিশ্বাসী and বাড়ি থেকে করেছো, মানে this is like a salute story. This is phenomenal. But এবার আমার একটা খুব মানে আরজি আছে, দেখো, we firstly in 2022 we want you as an active motivator, যেখানে তোমার স্টোরিটা এবং তুমি আমাদেরকে একটু ঠেলবে, বিকজ আমরা আছি যারা হচ্ছে মানে we want to lose but we lose a bit, but then we don't lose it all. We really need push. Okay, so first promise is that তোমাকে motivator থাকতে হবে. You have to support us. You have to, you know, keep sharing some inputs, keep pushing the group with your story and whatever you see, এই যে YouTube video দেখছো, etc. Not everything has to be your story, but anything that kind of motivates you.
Okay, I will certainly try. Look, I'm very bad with my Instagram and Facebook. I mean, I keep on thinking that I will put more pictures of me working out. First of all, আমার videos তো হয় না, because whenever I'm working out alone. তখন বাড়িতে either people are sleeping or thing.
No, another thing is that আমরা কোন একটা মাসে, it's not like আজকে জানুয়ারিতে, আজকে আমাদের 3rd episode তোমাকে আমরা ইনভাইট করলাম, because আমি অনেক ভাবলাম that, you know, this has to begin with a story which is real and somebody who has really achieved it. So আমার দেখা এখন চারিপাশে তুমি হচ্ছে মানে অ্যাচিভারের সরতাজ তোমার মাথায়।
No, I see a lot of people who on your YouTube channel, on your Facebook channel, I've seen a lot of people who have lost a lot of weight. There is Rook who has lost, I've seen, তারপরে তোমার আরো অনেকজন আছে who
lost 2021 kilos last year. As a group, as a community we have, এবছর যেরকম আমাদের টার্গেট 2022 কিলো, and you know, this group just started with me as my first member. And then today we are almost towards 900 members across the globe. So this group has to grow, তাহলে তাড়াতাড়ি করে আমরা অ্যাচিভ করতে পারবো। বাট ওয়ান ডে, একদিন যদি তুমি তোমার এই এক্সারসাইজ যেগুলো তুমি স্ট্রেচেস এটসেট্রা বললে, একটা দিন কোন একটা মাসে we would want you to conduct a session for us wherein you take us through the session wherein we participate with you, you know.
I will try. আমার মানে my thing is that আমি ভীষণই I don't know how good of an instructor I'm going to be. That is more to do with Rushabh energies of the world. But I'll try. I mean, I can certainly share with you what are the videos and everything. But I start hyperventilating after few exercises. So ওইগুলোর ব্যাপারে but if I try to show the stretches and everything, what I can do is that as a try to show the easier, how to the beginner, for a beginner, yes, the beginners দের জন্য যে কিভাবে to the easier way, not the easier way hacks and all. Maybe in the future I can show that. Also, I'll try and share whatever I have learned also from the YouTube channels and everything. So those kind of things I'm sure people will learn. I mean, look, it is not frankly speaking, amar jeta mone hoy tomra people have made it out a big deal. I just feel good. I mean, one thing is there is that once you become 50, once you lose some kg and all, and you start gaining some muscles and having a little bit of an abs also, you start becoming narcissist. I have realized that. So when people praise me, I love that. But the thing is that, yeah, there was a lot of আমার সকালবেলা করে ঘুম থেকে উঠে ওই যে ওয়ার্কআউটটা and all, I mean, there was some hard work in it, but then trust me, once you start doing it for a few days, even for a couple of weeks, if you start doing it, you will start enjoying it. Because if you have a weighing scale, it's not only about losing weight, it's about staying healthy. It is about your movements. You can move better, you can do things which are which you might have never imagined doing. You are doing it. So I want to go to I want to do certain things. I have certain things on my bucket list right now which I have never thought that I will do from a fitness point of view, from all these things, because aage bolto je eglo you should not do because of your heart rate or something like that, which I can do now. So these kind of things, like maybe bungee jumping or paratrooping I have already done কিছুদিন আগে, but things like that. So কি বলে skydiving, which I want to do, এই সব জিনিসগুলো. But even forget about all these things, even simple stuff like now I can go to a buffet and I can eat as much as I want without even thinking about how fat আমি আর মোটা, because I know that the next day and the next few days probably I will need to to burn out the calories that I have gained. So এখান থেকে, but once you start working out, you will start enjoying yourself no matter what, because it will come from you. Nobody, আমার তো মনে হয় না যে কেউ, আমি একটা জিনিস দেখি, যখন আমি আরো মোটা ছিলাম তখন আমাকে যদি লোকেরা বলতো বাবা কি মোটা হয়ে গেছিস বা কি, আমি একটু রেগে যেতাম। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি রেগে গিয়ে বলতাম যে I used to ignore them. I used to কি খালি মোটা বলছে বা কি খালি maybe that point in time I had seen the scale and I had lost a kg. I used to get a little angry and all, but then when I realized it myself, when my movements and everything got a little thing, I think at the end of the day it comes from you. I mean, why did you start this channel? Because it came from, I think you were saying that at that event of yours, that তুমি একটা কোথায় বসে তোমরা কোনো হলিডেতে গেছিলে, ওইখান থেকে it came up as a discussion and then it came from within yourself. So I think these kind of things will come from within you. It will never লোকেরা যতই বলুক বা কিছু বলুক, কিন্তু যদি নিজের থেকে মাথায় যদি না আসে, and if you don't start enjoying the process, and তাহলে কিছুই হবে না. I feel this is just my own personal opinion.
No, this has been such an interesting আড্ডা. তাহলে একটা জিনিস, তুমি যা ইউটিউব দেখে যেগুলো বিগিনার্সদের জন্য, যেগুলো তোমাকে ইন্সপায়ার করেছে and হেল্প করেছে to start, requesting you to share the links with me of course, and also আমাদের যে মোটিভেট গ্রুপটাতে আছে, প্লিজ মাঝে মাঝে তুমি ওখানেও শেয়ার করো এনিথিং, বিকজ what happens with most of us is that সবকিছু শুনি, সবকিছু বুঝি, we know we have to do it has to begin from today, there is nothing called tomorrow, but again at the end of the day we again push ourselves, কালকে থেকে শুরু করব. This is a cycle that keeps working within us and আমাদেরকে একটু আটকে দেয়. So please don't forget to share links, videos, not just তোমার but anything of the world that has inspired you and helped you move that step. আমাদের
Sure.
গ্রুপে শেয়ার করো।
No, no, I will
And
certainly do that. I mean, that is not an issue. I mean, also, I've also sometimes I try and put some videos on my Instagram also. So সেগুলো also you can also see. But then, I mean, yeah, I'll try and do that for sure.
তোমাকে থ্যাংক ইউ জানাই for your time and your inputs. This has been really amazing. And শিগগিরই we intend that if the world was a little safe and sound, তাহলে আমরা একটু boot camps etc. করতাম. But as and when we keep doing in Calcutta, we will inform you and would request you to also participate. That will be really
Sure.
nice.
I keep on. I go for my cycling and all, obviously, and all these things. After I go for my walks. So
Please,
certainly I still join people. So there are these things which you should do certain events. আমার সঙ্গে event গুলো করো.
And আজকের এই সেশনটা I'm sure that has been really, really nice. And I would like to thank and extend my gratitude to Apollo Multispeciality Hospitals, Senco Gold and Diamonds, and RG Cellulars for being a constant partner with this dream and this journey called Motivate 2022. And Yudhajit, আজকে থেকে কিন্তু ফুল অন মোটিভেটর হিসেবে তোমাকে মানে পেয়ে গেছি এবং ভীষণ আপ্লুত হয়েছি। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
Thank you very much. I mean, I think I had a good time, and I mean, I did not want to come on this, and I don't think that there's still a long way for me to go to to think. But then, thanks a lot. I mean, for this, and thanks for that for the memento which I got from there, because I think those things actually motivates me to also to keep going. So so thank you very much, and see you soon.
Thank you.
Take care.
See you soon. Okay, bye. So this was a story which is so difficult to believe. একজন 54 কেজি কমিয়েছে, and that too with all his determination and hard work. And this is something when we tell you that, when we tell you that আমরা achieve করছি, when we try and achieve our goals, we would just like to reiterate that don't take me lightly. And that's exactly what Senco Gold and Diamonds ever liked would like to tell. With this, আমাদের আজকের এপিসোড হচ্ছে শেষ। Yudhajit Dottor একটা amazing transformation story has really kind of ignited all my hopes yet again, যে আমরা নিশ্চয়ই, আমি তো এবছর 22 কিলো প্রমিস করছি লুজ করবই, এবং সবাই মিলে যত তাড়াতাড়ি পারবো 2022 কিলো অ্যাচিভ করবো। and this group needs to touch 2022 members. It will only be possible if you also invite your friends and make this a bigger, happier, fitter, better group. Thank you very much once again to each one of you. Happy Sunday. Please take